Welcome home, my lord. Did you have an okay day at work? You look so tired. Let me get that super heavy cloak off of you first. This is the cloak that I made for you, isn't it? The first year after our marriage. I still remember all the stitches and all the mistakes. I'm so glad that my lord is still wearing it. I'll just leave it over here. Would my lord like a cup of ginseng tea? I got it right for you when you got home. It should be ready. This is made from the box of ginseng that the Minister of Sport and Agriculture gave us. Or that his wife did. Maybe last month. I don't remember. I'll have to remember to return the gift. Maybe one of my embroidery pieces. Maybe she'll like that. Ginseng smells really fresh and sweet. I think you'll like it. And ginseng is good for fatigue and headaches, relieving stress. It's good for the body. And I believe she told me this one was a 100-year-old. So, not that rare or anything, but still good for everyday tea. My lord, like a cup? Drink it while it's hot, my dear. So, today I was out shopping, actually. I was looking at some of the new shops, and something kind of interesting caught my mind. You know that wood shop at the end of... I don't know the directions. The driver does. But we always go there for his furniture. They're always so great. He's a skilled man for sure. And this is just something carved up for fun. And he said it's to relieve pressure on acupuncture points. Sort of massage stick. And like I said, it was just something he did up for fun, and I thought it was interesting too. So decided to buy it and try it out. And he's no physician. Probably doesn't even know where the acupuncture points are. But maybe he learned a pointer or two from those traveling physicians, but they can be fishy sometimes. So, all in good fun. Would my lord like to try it out? I tried it out on myself, but it might be better if someone else did it for you. If someone else gives this. Let it go? Yeah. Let's give it a try. Anything to help my lord relax is within my duties. Maybe after I can give you a bit of a scalp massage too. Have blood flow through the head to scalp. Do a bit of ear cleaning. Would the Lord like that? Shopping today. I went out for tea and well, they had pastries at that tea house that we usually like to go to. And they had this fantastic blend of green tea that they said was imported from somewhere on the seas. I don't remember. It was very fragrant and light. I enjoyed it. But the real treat was this red bean pastry they had. I'll have to get our cook to learn how to make it, so I can have it more often. And while we were there, one of the ladies was telling gossip. I don't know if you would even be interested. It's about, the owner of the Market Street. His son supposedly fell in love with a nobody girl. No one knew where she came from. was a scandal at the time. But she was pretty. That's what they all said. She was really pretty. And, being owner of a market place, they knew a bit about farming. But either way, they got married. I guess his father wasn't that strict of a man. They got married and everything. But the ladies heard that she ran away. After all of that trouble, she ran away. He hasn't seen her. And they never saw her for a year. But today, I was told that he was out on the street and telling people that he was going to see his wife. And after a year, no one has seen her, but he seemed pretty certain that he was going to see her. And I guess only he knew exactly what happened when she went away. Who knows? Maybe she has her own problems. But gossip and scandal aside, you really do want people in love to be happy together, to always be together. Isn't there some old saying about that? Darling, you've got a little bit of a wrinkle right there and there. Are you worrying too much about things? I know I may not understand everything you tell me, but if it really helps you, you could tell me things. Share them with me. Talk to someone. I'm always here for you, right? picked up this wonderful little cotton ball in your pick. My lord liked to try it out. do believe dinner time will be very soon, so I'm just going to go and check on our cook and our kitchen staff, and I will come back and tell you when dinner is, okay?